Bring your towel roll in back of you like this and grab hold. When you grasp hold, it applies pressure to your neck. So inhale as you come up and exhale as you come down. Pulling the towel forward so your head relaxes downward. Inhale and bring it up. And tilt your head back this time. And exhale and relax down. Now imagine the muscles that are getting pressed and the points that are being released. There's a whole huge series of acupressure points that are actually phenomenal. I was going to say magical, in that they're called the windows of the sky. Don't call them the windows of the sky for nothing. They help to open up the fifth chakra and the sixth and seventh chakra. These are the energy centers of your throat, of your brain. And so this is a great exercise to know to do, and it's so easy to do it. And if you just did it 2 or 3 times a day, it could free up your energy system so you have more balance between your mind and your body. And that says it in a nutshell. So let's do it together again. Grasp hold here. And as you come all the way down, like this, straight down, and inhale up. Being in alignment, just straight like this, opens up the bladder meridian. Now you can open it up even further by pressing the points here, going underneath the towel, and pressing B10, and so forth. But I want to show you also that if we did the same exercise, inhaling up and exhaling down, which I hope you're doing with me and not just watching me. Because if you do it with me, you're going to get the benefits. You're not just going to be a spectator. And exhale as you come down. With the breath, inhale up and exhaling down.